Welcome back from a 3-day weekend. This is D7 here at Grok Trade. It's Tuesday, September 8th, 2015. And the markets absolutely go big time bullish. We have the Spider up 2.5%, almost the same for the diamonds. Q's up 2.8%, nearly 3%. Small caps only up 2.3%. Banks up 2.24%. Silver up over 1%, almost 1.5%. Gold at break even. And crude oil break even, a little bit in bearish territory. And the US dollar down a fraction. VIX down nearly 9%. And taking a look here at the S&P 500 ETF called the Spider, SPY. And here we are. Over the weekend, we had the big drop pop here. And over the weekend, we just saw this candlestick and is coiling. Today, a big boom to the upside. But to be quite frank, it's on mini-me volume. Thank you to one of our mentor students, JR, who gave me a shout out earlier today when I was not in front of my market, saying, wow, big move. However, no volume to speak of. And nice eye there, Minty. Oh, speaking of that, we do have a mentorship coming up November 14th, 15th, and 16th in Las Vegas. So again, it's Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, November 14th to the 17th in Las Vegas at my office. And we have a nice group of us to be doing a mentorship. It's 3 days, but you have to do the 101 and the 201 courses first. Go through those, then you'll be ready. You can speak our language there. And here we are, big pop above an EMA. That's my 8 EMA moving average, but we have the 20 moving average coming down. You'll notice this red line here. I'm looking for a crossover at 200 on big volume before I start to look to go bullish. Outside of that, I'm still net to the bearish side until we show a significant move to the upside. This is just coiling action below most major moving averages here. And that's very, very typical. So any sort of pop on little volume is something that we want to pay special attention to. That volume is key. If we go here to the diamonds, what's interesting with the diamonds, I had this trend line. We did break over it. But again, volume has just been so weak here lately. Look at the Qs, had this triangle here, this little bearish pennant, popped to the upside, but no volume confirming that move, still below all the major moving averages. Russell's here, big trend line, we did get back above it. That should act as resistance. We're challenging the 20-day moving average. Be very, very interesting to see if we can see follow through with increased volume to the upside. If so, I will be net to the bull side if that's the case. The banks here, nice little move to the upside. Again, 20-day moving average coming down to meet it, acting as resistance. This is the biggest ETF of banks that's out there. It's on the NASDAQ. Silver, it's kind of a bear flag to the upside. However, the big picture here is a falling wedge, which is more bullish than is bearish. So it's something we're watching for. Gold. We have kind of a bull flag taking place here, a pinching falling wedge within a huge falling wedge. So I see upside potential for gold and silver. And here we are looking at crude oil. Big rally off of support, high base, looking for more upside. So commodities, I think, have a lot of upside potential. And the US dollar, we remain in this big triangle, and with the US dollar, it's a big pinching triangle, and now we're caught up in all the moving averages. So I'm not expecting any major moves anytime soon here. I'm looking for a breakout or a breakdown of the US dollar. And a quick look here at the VIX, and let's blow this up a bit so we can see it. VIX here, and if you guys remember on the VIX-C, if I click on the little light bulb, I called a buy on the VIX right there. That's me, D7. And you can follow me at tradingview.com. Go to tradingview.com. It's a free service, or you can upgrade to some of their better services that they provide. Look for D-7 and you can follow me. But I did call a buy on that, and look at this. Boom! The markets just fell apart after that break right there. Because remember, the VIX only goes higher when the markets are going down. So that's where we're at. A quick look here at the mentorship. If you go to Grok Trade and then you click on Trading Mentor, you're going to come to this page. Fill out this form. We'll get you more information about the Vegas trip. All right, there you have it. Get you guys later.